So here question number 3C. Okay, the हामीले यहाँ जुन question देखाइरहेको छौं स्क्रिनमा, that is question number 3C. Okay, so in question number 3C, what is there? A shopkeeper sold a watch for Rs 2,736, allowing 20% discount. Find its marked price. Okay, यसमा पनि त simple हामीलाई a shopkeeper sold a watch भनेको छ for a watch. Selling price SP equals to Rs 2,736. Discount percent D percent equals to 20%. Marked price MP equals to what? Then by formula, which formula we are going to use here?
August.
Same formula. Agiko formula भनेपछि same formula. SP equals to MP minus discount percentage of MP. Okay. हामीले अघि जुन 3 को B मा जुन formula use गरेका छौं, same formula we have to use because same things are given and we have to find the same mark price. Mark price नै find out गर्नु छ भने we have to use the formula SP equals to MP minus discount percentage of MP. The value of SP is given, so you will put the value for SP there, and then MP as it is you have to write. MP भनेको त्यही राख्नु पर्यो, MP नै र 20% discount. Okay, so I think you can do this one. So let's move to the question number 3D. What percent of discount should be given in a doll costing Rs 180 so that a customer has to buy it for Rs 160? Okay, now you have to identify what are the prices given here. यहाँ चाहिँ हामीलाई अब प्राइसेसहरु कुन कुन हो त? What percent of discount should okay, Samir?
Mark price and SP.
Mark price and SP. Okay, good. ल है त. What percent of discount should be given in a doll costing भनेको छ नि, अब त्यो costing यति पर्ने डलमा कति % डिस्काउन्ट दिनु पर्ला भनेपछि त्यो भनेको पक्कै पनि MP हो, किन भन्दा डिस्काउन्ट % केमा दिइन्छ जहिले पनि we have to give in marked price है त. त्यही भएर marked price given छ, SP also given. Okay, so we have to find the discount %. So can you tell me how to find the discount %?
MP minus SP is discount amount and discount percent of discount by MP into 100%.
So another SP find गर्ने formula ले गर्दा नि हुन्छ हैन?
Okay, SP वाला formula बाट पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. Good. SP equals to MP minus discount percent of MP बाट पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. तर अब सजिलो चाहिँ हामीलाई गर्दाखेरि कुन formula बाट होला त? हाम्रो discount percent equals to discount amount by MP into 100%. Yeah, direct formula also you can use. Discount percent equals to MP minus SP upon MP into 100%. Okay, that formula also you can use. So D number also you can do. Okay, if you have any problem, कसैलाई problem छ भने you can write in the chat box and you can ask me to do the question. Okay, कसैलाई त्यस्तो problem छ भने chat box मा लेखिदिने. Okay, now in E number, okay, 3E. Radha purchased a cosmetic item at 5% discount. If she got the discount amount of Rs 74, at what price did she purchase the item? Okay, so what are the things given and what do we have to find?
Discount percent and discount amount is given.
Okay,
we need to find
percent.
MP.
What price did she purchase the item? At what price did she purchase the item? Radha purchased a cosmetic item at 5% discount भनेछ. अब हामीले भनेपछि MP find out गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, because discount percent is given and discount amount is given. भनेपछि यसबाट हामीले simply के find out गर्ने त? MP find out गर्ने. At what price did she purchase the item? भनेको के हो त? खास त अब यो cost price हो, तर यहाँ discount percent त्यसमा given हुने हुनाले हामी के भन्छौं त? That is the marked price. है त, त्यसैलाई marked price भन्नु पर्यो. So E number also you can do because हामीलाई formula use गर्नु पर्ने के हो त? Discount percent. How to find here? MP कसरी find out गर्ने त?
Discount amount by MP into 100%.
Okay, हामी simply discount amount equals to discount percent of MP, but can we find?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Simply from there we can find. Okay, discount amount equals to discount percent of MP. From there we can find MP लाई MP नै राख्ने, अरु भ्यालु त given छँदैछ. Okay, so in F number, find the net selling price of a shirt marked at Rs 1200 when VAT of 13% is levied. What are given? Find the net selling price
Mark
of a
price
shirt.
and bad percent.
Mark price and VAT percent given. Okay. तर अब हामीलाई जुन प्राइसमा भ्याट लाग्छ त्यो त मार्क प्राइस त हुँदैन हो कि हैन त्यसैले हामी त्यसलाई के भन्नु पर्यो अब
SP without bad.
SP without VAT okay or selling price simply selling price or SP without VAT okay भन्न त हामीलाई यहाँ मार्क्ड भनेको छ मार्क्ड भने पनि तर अब हामीले मार्क्ड प्राइस नै भन्नु भएन त्यसलाई हामीले के भन्नु पर्यो त त्यो मार्क्ड प्राइस भए पनि डिस्काउन्ट गिवन छैन भन्ने डिस्काउन्ट गिवन भएन भने त्यो बेलामा त्यो एसपी हुन्छ त्यही भएर हामीले यसलाई के भन्नुपर्छ त यदि कुनैमा भ्याट पर्सेन्ट लागिरहेछ भने दैट शुड बी सेलिङ प्राइस ओके त्यसैले हामी त्यसलाई के भन्छ त नेट सेलिङ प्राइस भनेको एसपी विथ भ्याट सोधेको हामीलाई एसपी इज गिवन दैट इज आरएस 1200 त्यो भनेको दैट इज द मार्क प्राइस डिस्काउन्ट इज नट गिवन okay that is mark price discount is not given because it is not mentioned in the question therefore that is selling price okay mark price bhanekai selling price bhayo selling price sp equals to rs 1200 VAT percent is 13% so net selling price equals to bhaneko net selling price ya net selling price bhaneko ke ho ta sp with VAT ho so sp with VAT equals to sp plus VAT percentage of sp okay so that you can do this one f number also so now let's move to the question number g when the VAT rate is okay when the VAT rate is 10% a customer pays rs 2816 to buy a mobile set जति बेला VAT percent 10% हुन्छ कस्टमरले कति पे गर्यो त 2816 to buy a mobile set हैन मोबाइल सेट लाई उले त्यति पे गर्यो find the cost of mobile without that means what are given what to find
Bad percent and SP with that.
Okay, Aditya, I'm not listening properly.
Bad percent and SP with VAT is given. We have to find SP without VAT.
Okay, very good, very good. Now I listened. Okay, so VAT percent given and SP with VAT given, and we have to find SP without VAT. Okay, simple question you can find just by using the formula SP with VAT equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, so now let's move to the question number H. While paying a bill, a man paid Rs 189.80 as the amount of VAT at 13%. How much was the actual bill amount? Either actual bill amount. अब के सोधेको होला त्यहाँ? What is asked?
SP with VAT.
SP with VAT is asked.
That amount given and VAT percent given.
Okay, so how to find?
SP with VAT is equal to no VAT amount is equal to SP after SP with VAT minus SP after discount.
Okay, but okay, look at okay, that's I don't think you will get from there.
VAT amount is equal to VAT rate of SP.
Okay. From there, what we can find?
SP find गर्छ अनि त्यसपछि SP with VAT निकाल्न मिल्छ VAT percent र SP राखेर.
Okay, absolutely correct. Good. First of all, what we can find here? Okay, हामीले फर्स्टमा यहाँ फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सकिने भनेको चाहिँ SP हो है. SP equals to VAT percentage of SP बाट किनभने VAT percentage given छ र अब हामीलाई के पनि given छ त VAT amount given छ है त. VAT amount भनेको VAT percentage of SP from there we can find SP. SP find out गरिसके पछाडी then with the help of SP and VAT percent we can find SP with VAT SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, that will be the actual bill amount. Okay. So कसैलाई यति नम्बर सम्ममा है त हामीले यहाँ डिस्कस गर्यौं अहिले सम्म अब क्वेशन नम्बर 3 याद कुनै क्वेशन गरिदिनु पर्छ कसैलाई ओके कसैलाई कुनै क्वेशन गरिदिनु पर्छ भने यु क्यान च्याट Okay, you can text me in a chat box. छ कसैलाई गरिदिनु पर्ने कुनै छ भने okay, you can write in a chat box है. कुनैमा त्यस्तो कन्फ्युजन छ गरिदिनु पर्छ बुझिएन भन्ने जस्तो लागिरहेछ भने you can text me. Okay, F number. So let's do है त. ल त्यसो भए F number I am going to do here. Okay. So I'm going to remove this one first. Then let's see. Okay. Now let's see here. Question number 3F. I'm going to do here on a board. Okay. Question number 3F. Question number 3F. Okay, in question number 3F, find the net selling price of a shirt marked at RS 1200. Okay, when VAT of 13% is levied. Given things, let's write here first. First, for a shirt, because we are dealing with the price of shirt. Shirt price now deal they were add first. What we have to write here? For a shirt, for a shirt. What is given here? भन्नु त हामीलाई मार्क्ड भनेपछि यो मार्क्ड प्राइस नै हो भन्ने जस्तो लाग्छ हैन. अब यो मार्क्ड प्राइस पनि हो किन भन्दा डिस्काउन्ट गिवन छैन भने यो मार्क्ड प्राइस नै हो. So in F number, what we are going to write here? Marked at RS 1200. So you can write here marked price भनेर लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ है त. Marked price you can write here. Marked price MP equals to RS 1200. Okay, first you can write here. Mark price MP equals to RS 1200 है त. 1200 लेख्ने. अब यस पछाडी हामीलाई VAT percent given छ. Okay, यहाँ हामीलाई VAT percent given छ. VAT percent equals to 13%. And then find the net selling price. यहाँ net selling price भनेको SP with VAT हो. SP with VAT. Okay, SP with VAT equals to what? This is asked. Net selling price भनेको SP with VAT is asked. Okay. अब यहाँ हामीले SP with VAT find out गर्नलाई हामीलाई त के चाहिन्छ त SP चाहिन्छ नि. अब हामीले के भन्न सक्छौं since discount is not given यो क्वेशनमा हामीलाई you can see here डिस्काउन्ट को बारेमा कुनै कुरा गरेकै छैन भने you can write here since discount is not given. यहाँ हामीलाई discount is not given. Discount given छैन भने in that case, okay, if discount is not given, therefore selling price भनेको के हुन्छ त selling price केसँग इक्वल हुन्छ त at that time selling price will be equals to MP. In this way you can write. Okay, you in this condition selling price will be equal to MP. Okay, so MP we have already written there, that is RS 1200. Okay, therefore SP we found. Therefore SP means we found here RS 1200. SP भनेको 1200 भयो है त. अब if we know the SP and VAT percentage, then we can find the SP with VAT. Again you can write here SP with VAT. SP with VAT equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, SP with VAT equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. So SP is 1200. Then VAT percentage means 13%. 13% of 1200. So let's calculate here. 1200 plus 13 divided by 100. 13 divided by 100 into 1200. We can write 2 zeros we can cancel. And we found here 1200 plus this one will be first of all you can find here 12 tens are 120, 12 threes are 36, 156. Is it 156? Okay, so 1200 plus 156 means it will be 1356. So our हामीलाई क्वेशनमा कसरी सोधेको छ. Okay, similarly you can write the conclusion. सोधेको छ net selling price of a shirt. Okay, हुन त हामीले SP with VAT find out गर्यौ, तर हामीले conclusion लेख्दा you have to write here hence the net selling price of a shirt is, hence the net selling price of a shirt is, hence the net selling price of a shirt. Net selling price of a shirt. के हुन्छ त यसमा net selling price of a shirt? Okay, so let me rub it and write. यसमा अलिकति स्पेस भएन है त. Okay, so we found here 1356. Okay, so I'm going to write this side. I'm अर्को साइडमा लेखिरहेको छु. Hence the net selling price of a shot. Okay, hence the net selling price of a shot. Net selling price of a shot is Rs 1356. Okay, in this way you can write the conclusion. Okay, यसरी चाहिँ हामीले conclusion लेख्ने है त. Okay. Okay, so do you have any confusion in this? कसैलाई केही confusion छ? हामीले चाहिँ net selling price of a shot Rs 1356 find out गर्यौं है. Any confusion? If you have any confusion, then ask. है त. Confusion छैन भने let's move ahead है. अब यस पछाडी चाहिँ हामी अरु क्वेशनहरु पनि हेरौं. This one we have completed here. We found here 1356. Okay, so let's do other questions. ल अब अरु क्वेशनहरु पनि हेरौं. If you have copied this one, okay, ल यो कपी भइसकेको छ भने now let's do other question. Okay, for that I'm going to share again the same one. Okay, so let's see here. We have completed up to 3 years. Okay, we have completed up to 3 years. Now look at their question number 4. Okay, in question number 4, the marked price of a mobile is Rs 12,600. Marked price MP is given. Discount percent is given. Discount 10% discount is allowed. Find the discount amount. What is the formula for discount amount?
Discount percent of MP.
Okay, very good. Discount percent of MP. From there you can find discount amount. Find the selling price of the mobile. What is the formula to find the selling price of the mobile?
MP minus discount percent of MP.
Okay, very good. SP equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, good. And how much is its price with 13% VAT? भनेको SP with VAT find out गर्नु पर्यो. So what is the formula for SP with VAT?
SP plus VAT percent of SP.
Okay, good. Good. SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, SP with VAT equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. So now look at the question number 4B. The marked price of a watch is Rs 4,000 and 20% discount is allowed. Find its selling price. Okay, this is also simple question I think. Your selling price find out गर्ने, the market price given छ, discount percent given छ भने selling price SP equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, simply you can find it. And how much should a customer pay for it with 13% VAT? Our 13% VAT side कति हुन्छ? SP with VAT. You are asked to find here SP with VAT. Okay, that's why SP with VAT equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. Okay, so 4 number, I think it is even easier. So you can do that, those questions. Okay, do you have any problem? कसैलाई केही problem छ भने you can write me in a chat box. Okay, छ भने let's do. कसैलाई केही problem छ भने we'll do. Okay, if not, then let's move to the creative section A. Okay, that is question number 5. हाम्रो question number 5 मा चाहिँ हामीसँग के छ? The marked price of a lady bag is Rs 4,800. Okay. कसैले केही सोधिराख्नु भएको छ जस्तो लाग्थ्यो? के हैन? Okay. The mark price of a lady bag is Rs 4,800. If a customer is given 10% discount, okay, if a customer is given 10% discount, how much does he or she pay with 15% VAT? Right? Your question was mark price given 10% discount पनि given and VAT is 15%. In this question, what we are going to do here? First of all, mark price MP given.
SP find गर्नु पर्छ सर फर्स्टमा.
First SP find out गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, how to find SP?
त्यसपछि त्यो SP is called MP minus discount percent of MP.
Okay.
After SP is given means SP आइहाल्छ त्यहाँबाट.
Okay.
अनि यहाँ VAT percent दिएछ त्यसपछि SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP.
Very good, Sunil. Okay. ल कसैलाई प्रब्लम छ? Do you have any problem? यो यस्तो खालको क्वेशन हामीलाई एक्जाम पोइन्ट अफ भ्यूबाट इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ किन भन्दा हामीलाई अल्टिमेटली SP with VAT फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ. मार्क प्राइस गिवन, डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट गिवन, VAT पर्सेन्ट अल्सो गिवन है त. पहिला पनि हामीले I think I have already told you this type of questions are very important. र अर्को कुरा MP फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने फर्मुला सबै दिएर MP फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने SP with VAT गिवन छ र MP फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने पनि हामीलाई इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ. ओके, सो कसैलाई गरिदिनु पर्छ. इफ इट इज नेसेसरी टु डु देन आई विल डु. ओके भन्ने है, किन भन्दा क्वेसन त अब एकदमै सिम्पल नै छ, हामीले क्लास 9 मा पनि गरेका छौं र तै पनि कसैलाई त्यस्तो प्रब्लम छ भने यु क्यान आस्क. इज इट नेसेसरी टु डु? Okay. Those who know it's okay. If you don't know, then only okay. कसैलाई थाहा छैन भने मात्रै then you can write in a chat box. Okay, so that means nobody has any problem. So let's move to the another question. In 5B, the mark price of an electric heater is Rs 3,000. What will be the price of the heater if 13% VAT is levied after allowing 12% discount on it? Okay, mark price is given here. Same type of question. Okay, question एउटै हो, अलिकति हामीलाई के भनेको छ त? अब त्यसमा हामीलाई 13% VAT given छ after allowing 12% discount भनेको है. गरेको चाहिँ खास के हो त? मार्क प्राइसमा पहिला डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट गिवन हो, त्यसबाट SP आउँछ. Okay, after finding SP, then 13% VAT, adding 13% VAT, we'll get SP with VAT. Okay, so this is also the same type of question. यसमा पनि exactly as 5A. 5A जस्तै छ है. Okay, so that you can do this one also. Now question number 6A. The marked price of a woolen sweater is Rs 1,750. If the shopkeeper allows 20% discount and makes a profit of Rs 150, at what price did he purchase the sweater? Okay, can you tell me what to do? Do you know what to do in this?
CP सोधेको छ.
Oh, CP सोधेको छ. Very good, Aditya. CP सोधेको छ. Then how to find it?
सर त्यो MP र डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट को रिलेसनले हामीले SP आउँछ.
Okay.
अनि त्यसपछि SP र CP को रिलेसन रे CP आउँछ.
SP र प्रॉफिट अमाउन्ट हो?
हो सर.
SP र प्रॉफिट अमाउन्ट को रिलेसनले CP आउँछ. Okay, so that I think this one also you can do. अब सबैले गर्नुपर्ने त क्वेशन नम्बर 5B सम्म, at least try to do up to question number 5B. Okay, अरु पनि if you know then keep on going. अब गर्दै जाने नै हो. Okay.